We have a zucchini omelette for breakfast this morning. This recipe is totally improvised and not coming from any cooking book. It is super easy and quick to make, starting with a little bit of olive oil in a hot skillet. Adding some garlic, then small chunks of fresh zucchini kicks in. You can add as many as you want of eggs, followed by feta salty cheese. Final touch is adding a little bit of extra flavor by your favorite spices. Then to let the mix get cooked in the hot skillet, and it will be ready and super tasty.
Nice, thank you.
Before moving, we are filling tanks with extra fuel and reviewing our map for today. A beautiful spot full of trees just appeared in the middle of the desert, so it was worth it to stop and enjoy the place for a minute. At this stage, we've got around 60 kilometers of sandy desert to go through, heading to a nearest petrol station where we're gonna exit the desert. At this point, the desert part of our trip is over, and we are taking the roads to our camping destination on Abu Dhabi coast.
Welcome to the beach, guys. Our trip is accomplished. Thank you very much. You performed very well. Thank you for everything.
Thank you so much for organizing this wonderful trip. We have to thank you.
I hope the wind goes down a little bit this night.
We couldn't be happier to be on beach and witness the blue sea water after 2 days in the sand of a desert. It might not look like the Maldives, but it's offering the swap we are looking for, so we are enjoying what we have. Tonight for dinner we have meatballs with vegetables, cooked in pottery tagine. As usual, everything starts with olive oil in a hot pan, then meatballs jump in to be cooked in there for around 10 minutes. Meatballs are cooked and ready to be removed away at the moment. Now it's time for the vegetables to jump in the pottery, like carrots, potatoes, onions, and to let the mix cooked in there for a while. Later on, you can add extra flavor by tomato sauce or your favorite spices. When vegetables are cooked, it's time for the meatballs to back in the pottery again, and by adding some baby tomatoes, this is what you get. This meal is totally improvised camp cooking food. It could be presented with steamed rice to make it enough for everyone.